In today's video, we'll be covering how to add error bars of different lengths to your graphs using Excel. You may need error bars on your graph to represent standard error or standard deviation, and it's necessary for many course assignments and for publications. So first, let's look at our data. This is a graph of some fake data that shows the mean accuracy for completing the Stroop test across two conditions in a sample of university students. I will not be showing you how to create the graph, calculate the standard error, or how to interpret the standard error, but we may cover these topics in future videos. So the first thing you want to do is click on the chart, and then you can click on the plus sign and go to error bars. Next, you want to click on more options. You'll choose the condition you want to start with, so we'll start with condition 1. And then you can click on the error bar options. See here you can choose if you want it to be positive or negative, but in this case we'll keep it on both. Then you can scroll to the bottom, click on custom, and specify the value. So first you want to erase what's in there, and then select your data. And you want to choose the same data for the negative error value. And you can click OK. So that's for condition 1. For condition 2, you can click on the error bars for the second condition. You can also access it through the same way we accessed the first one, through here and error bars and then more options. But it also just appears here. So we can see same thing, we want both. And then you can specify value, erase what's in there, and select your standard error values for condition 2. And click OK. And that's how you add error bars of different sizes to your graphs and charts. You can do the same procedure for other types of graphs as well. For example, if you have a line graph or a scatter plot you want to add error bars to, you can use this same procedure. Thank you for watching this video. For more lectures, workshops, and tutorials, follow Kwantlen Psychology Society on YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram.